Hello and welcome to another edition of Autocar India's Quick News, your weekly roundup of everything new in the automotive industry. Before we get started, a quick reminder to subscribe to the Autocar India channel and hit that bell icon to be notified of all the new and exciting videos coming out. Vinfast has launched its third product in India, the VF MPV 7. This 3-row EV is available in a single variant priced at Rs 24.49 lakh. Powering it is a 60.13 kWh battery with a claimed 517 km range. A front-mounted motor produces 204 horsepower and 280 Nm, enabling a sub-9 second 0 to 100 run. It offers eco, normal and sport modes along with regen braking. Fast charging supports up to 80 kW, taking the battery from 10 to 70% in just 30 minutes. The silhouette is boxy with design cues similar to the VF6 and VF7. Up front, it gets a slim LED light bar, vertically stacked headlamps and a blanked-off grille. In profile, it rides on 19-inch aero alloys with body-colored mirrors and a chrome window line and black cladding. At the rear, there's a connected LED taillight bar along with a roof spoiler, rear wiper and shark fin antenna. Inside, you can choose between a dual-tone or all-black cabin with a 7-seat layout in a theatre-style arrangement. All seats get adjustable headrests, 3-point seat belts and leatherette upholstery. The dashboard is minimal, centered around a 10.1-inch touchscreen that also handles instrumentation and climate controls. It also gets a flat-bottom steering wheel, a column-mounted drive selector, and a clean center console with wireless charging, cup holders, and storage. It gets 4 power windows with one touch up and down, and anti-pinch along with automatic climate control and vents for all 3 rows. Safety kit includes 4 airbags and a rear camera with sensors, an electronic parking brake, hill hold assist, and TPMS. However, it misses out on features like a sunroof, ventilated seats, a 360-degree camera, and ADAS. Vinfast is offering a Rs 2 lakh exchange incentive for customers switching from combustion cars. It also promises a 75% buyback value based on the ex-showroom price. The VF MPV 7 comes with 3 years of free maintenance, a 7-year vehicle warranty, a 10-year battery warranty, and customers also get free charging at V-Green stations until March 31st, 2029. After being shown last week, the Volkswagen Taigun facelift has officially gone on sale with prices ranging from Rs 11 lakh to 19.3 lakh. Here is a look at the full price list. The Taigun facelift continues with the 115 horsepower 1 litre TSI and the 150 horsepower 1.5 TSI engines. A key update is a new 8-speed automatic for the 1 litre TSI, while the 1.5 TSI continues with the 7-speed DSG. A 6-speed manual is only available on the 1 litre TSI. Fuel efficiency has improved with claimed figures of 19.54 kpl for the 1 litre AT, 19.98 kpl for the manual, and 18.85 kpl for the 1.5 DSG. Higher variants also now get disc brakes. On the outside, the Taigun facelift notably features reshaped headlights, updated bumpers, illuminated front and rear Volkswagen emblems, and a revised rear LED light bar, now with sequential indicators. New alloy wheel designs and a pair of fresh color options, namely avocado pearl and steel grey, also feature. Inside changes are minimal, but features now include a 10.25-inch digital driver's display, a panoramic sunroof, and an updated 10.1-inch touchscreen. It also gets an improved AC system, though it misses out on the rear seat massage function offered in the Kushaq. Volkswagen has also introduced an assured buyback scheme for the Taigun facelift, offering a 75% residual value for up to 3 years or 30,000 kilometers. This is applicable to bookings made by May 31st, 2026. Renault India will soon offer a factory-fitted CNG kit on the Triber. Unlike the earlier dealer-fit setup that ate into the boot space, this new version will use dual-mounted cylinders mounted under the floor. Along with CNG, the Triber will finally get the 1-litre turbo-petrol engine from the Kiger. The CNG kit will be paired with this more powerful engine, and it will also be offered on the Kiger. Renault has updated the CMF-A platform to support CNG and now calls it the RGEP, Renault Global Entry Platform. Factory-fitted CNG kits are expected around the festive season, likely September to October, The earlier dealer fit kits were priced between Rs 69,000 and Rs 1.08 lakh, and it remains to be seen what premium the factory fitted option will command. Now some interesting news from Nissan. Chief Performance Officer Guillaume Cartier has confirmed to Autocar India that the brand is keen to bring CBUs to India, with the Nissan Patrol high on that list. We had reported a 2026 launch for the Patrol back in 2024, and that timeline could still hold or shift to early next year. With rising demand for large luxury SUVs, Nissan could benefit from the Patrol's strong badge value and recent full generation update, which enhances its bold upright stance. Rather than chase a target price, Nissan plans to bring in a well-equipped model that delivers compelling, capable package in line with the Patrol's badge value. In international markets, the Patrol is powered by a 3.5-litre V6 twin-turbo engine, delivering an impressive 425 horsepower and 700 Nm of torque. Also available is a 3.8-litre naturally aspirated V6 engine option, producing 316 horsepower and 386 Nm of torque. Power is transferred to the road via a 9-speed automatic transmission with 4-wheel drive. The exterior of the Patrol is big and boxy, with a wide blacked-out grille, vertically stacked headlamps. In profile, it blends angular with rounded surfaces, with a large glasshouse and large 22-inch alloy wheels. At the rear, it gets an upright tailgate with an integrated spoiler, vertical tail lamps connected by a light bar, and black trim with Patrol lettering. The Patrol's 3-row cabin uses soft-touch materials, brushed aluminium trims, and multiple upholstery options. It features dual 14.3-inch screens for instrumentation and infotainment. The traditional gear lever is replaced by buttons on the center console, while a rotary dial for terrain mode sits alongside the HVAC controls. After downsizing the Triumph range to benefit from the lower 18% tax bracket, Bajaj has now applied the same strategy to the Dominar 400, priced at Rs 2.04 lakh, a reduction of Rs 37,000. The new 349cc liquid-cooled engine produces 40.6 horsepower and 33.2 Nm, paired with a 6-speed gearbox. That's a drop of 1.8 Nm in peak torque and a bump of 0.6 horsepower in peak power, delivered higher up in the rev range. Compared to the earlier 373cc unit, the Dominar is now 3 kgs lighter with a curb weight of 190 kgs. Like the Triumph range, the engine has been downsized, but the name remains unchanged. Apart from that, the bike is identical to before, with the same features, touring accessories, and 2 color options, green and black. With the Dominar 400 getting this engine, we also expect Bajaj to launch the NS 400Z with this engine soon. Yamaha has updated its most affordable offering, the Fascino 125 Hybrid, with minor cosmetic changes. Mechanicals and features remain unchanged. It continues in 3 variants: drum, disc and S, priced at Rs 76,500, 88,000 and 95,200 respectively. The main change on the 2026 Fascino is at the rear. The brake lamp and indicators are now separated, unlike the earlier combined unit. The side panels are also slightly less curvy. Up front and mechanically, the scooter remains unchanged. The 125cc air-cooled engine continues producing 8.2 horsepower and 10.3 Nm, and it also gets an integrated starter generator for a small electric boost, along with start-stop and silent start stack. The top S variant adds a color TFT display with turn-by-turn navigation. And that's a wrap for quick news this week. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again next week.